Hello friends and welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we are going to learn how to organize information with tab pages in Microsoft Access 2016. Now let's take for an example that we have a form in which we can view the first record. We have a button to view the first record, the last record, the previous record and the very first record. Alright, so these are the control buttons that we are going to add. But in the same form, let's say that we add more buttons like creating a report or generating a sub form. Don't you think so guys that it will make our form a little bit more complicated and full of controls? At such instance, we will use the tab pages. Adding tab pages to a form will make my form a little bit more organized and it will be more easier to work upon. As you can see, the slide says by placing the related records on separate pages will make our form a little bit more organized and very easier to use while we are performing an operation. We'll get a better understanding of how to add the tab pages to a form in our practical approach.
In this video, we are going to learn how to organize information with tab pages in Microsoft Access 2016. Now, before I go ahead, let me go ahead and pull out some forms. So I'll move to this navigation pane and pull out the customers form. Alright, now in our previous video, we have learned how to create a subform in such a way that whenever I used to enter the first name or the customer name, it used to pull out the order details for the same. But now this time I also want the mailing address for the customer. So how it can be done? It can be easily done with the help of tab pages. So let me show it to you quickly how it is done. It's a very simple process. So I will go ahead and go in the design form as I have to make some changes in this particular forms. So I will select this design view. I will delete the unnecessary tabs which the fields which I don't require. I'll be requiring this mailing details, so I will select all. I will cut this. I don't require this details, the buttons out here. Now I have deleted, so these are the things which I'll be requiring. And let's go ahead and first create a sub form in such a way that it will give me the order details, and in second page it will give me the mailing address. So in order to create the tab pages, I have to go under the design form, and under the design form you can see there are so many options out here. I will select this particular control which says tab control. I'll select this tab control and I'll simply drag it here. Alright, so the moment I drag it here, you can see there are two pages. In first page I'll be having the order details, and in the next page I'll be having my mailing address details. So let me paste mailing address details right away out here. So I'll simply cut paste it. So I have the mailing address details out here, and in this page I will have the subform for the order details. So let me go ahead and create a subform quickly. I will click here subform. I will say I want to create a subform from an existing table. That will be order items. I'll simply hit next. Yes. Perfect, and I'll simply hit finish. Alright, so I have the order details. Let me quickly delete the unnecessary things which I'll be requiring. So I'll go ahead and I'll close these details. So now I have the order details form ready with me. So let's go ahead and see whether how it looks like so far. So far it's look good. Okay, now I'll again go to the design view. Now I need to make some kind of changes. I need to do some arrangements. So I'll say let me make it stack. Again I'll go here and I will remove the layout so that I can modify each item one by one. So I'll select this. Perfect. I have rest of the details, the quantity. Now I want this to be as the order details, so I'll rename this page number. So how I do this, if you go under the property sheet, it is named as page 95, but I want to name this as order details. Right, so this is how it is done. The moment I click OK, so I have order details page, and out here it should be the mailing details. So I'll type here the mailing details. So if I select here, so I have mailing details. Now let's go ahead and see it in the form view. So if I click on the form view, now I have the order details and I have the mailing details as well. So guys, this is how you can create different kind of pages, and depending on your own requirement, I can also add tabs by going to the design view. And if I want to add one more page, I will simply right click and I will select this form properties, and from form properties I will add more and more forms if you wish to add it. All right, so this is how you can create different tabs, and this is how you can use the tab controls to organize report information or the form information in Microsoft Access 2016.